Hi future engineers. Do you know what is the language of an engineer? Yes, it's design, design skills. A design engineer is the biggest role player in every project and system. In today's engineering world, mastering in engineering softwares is no longer an option. It's an obvious and a core skill to make every project, design and system more accurate, efficient and safe from its idea to implementation. How you can prepare your triple engineering career and triple engineering students life, or after prepare yourself to enter in the job market, we are going to teach you, we are going to suggest you what are the softwares you need, what are the skills you need, and how you're gonna prepare for job market in the future career. So the workshop will be start from 25th to 27th on each day, 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Each session will be 1.5 hours. So registration link is given in the comments. Don't be late. And what softwares will be introduced here? For AutoCAD electrical control, power system, the softwares will be ETAP, and for solar power plant design it will be PVSys software and SketchUp. For industrial automation controlling factory IO automation studio and TIA portal will be introduced, and for building automation and building management system the software will be IntelliWeb. So don't be late. It's really exciting to know all the triple related engineering career how you can start. All the softwares will be come together in 3 days. You will learn. The takeaway will be knowing about the softwares, how you will use the tools and the real-time application and real project applications, and how you will design the projects. We will gonna teach you all these things. So get ready for this session. Don't be late, and obviously don't forget the female engineers. So especially for female engineers, I would like to suggest all female engineers to choose that design engineer. Take very seriously the design engineer skills, design software skills, as this position is more comfortable and very risk-free, and a very friendly lifestyle will give you this position. And you can also do the freelancing, whatever you are. Globally, you can be a design engineer. So all female engineers must enjoy this session. So don't be late. Don't miss that out. See you on 25 to 27. Assalamu alaikum.